So we only have two mixing bowls so we can all stir at the same time. Let's share them one by one.
Alright, so first I use one bowl for my cheesecake. Then dyan i-mix butter. Then dyan is mix Nicolas.
Wait, I thought you said brown is not big. There, that's wrong na.
Also, I mean, cheesecake at brownies.
Okay, that is clear. So let's start before the ingredients now.
Yeah, I prefer the eggs while waiting for my food. Exactly. In that way, you won't waste our time.
Don't forget to preheat the oven so it's ready once we start finish mixing.
Alright, I'll set it to 180 degrees.
Well done. This cheesecake will turn out great.